Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. We are from 𝐏𝐸 Solutions Software Company, and in today's video, we will explore the dashboard feature in point-of-sale accounting software. How is it useful for business owners and managers? Let's dive in and check out the different insights available on the dashboard. When you first log into the software, the dashboard is the first thing you'll see. Additionally, you can access the dashboard module by clicking on Normal. Need quick access? Just use the Alt-D shortcut key and boom! The dashboard pops up instantly. Key features of the dashboard. 1. Number of customers. This section shows the total number of customers registered in your software. Customers are classified into two types. Open market customers. These are walk-in customers who purchase without registration. Registered customers. These customers have ledgers maintained in the system, and yes, you can also give them credit. Want to see full details? Just double-click and everything will be in front of you. Need to find a specific customer? No problem. Search by phone number, email, or location in seconds. Number of suppliers. Suppliers, vendors provide goods to your business. They can be from the open market or registered vendors. The dashboard displays the total number of suppliers with all necessary details. Looking for a particular supplier? Simply search by name or description. Easy, right? 3. Number of products. This section gives you a complete overview of all products or services you deal with. Need details? Just double-click and everything will be there. The same powerful search criteria apply to products too. 4. Search record feature. Need to filter data? This feature is a game changer. You can check new customers added today, customers added this month, previous month's customer data. Get the insights you need fast and efficiently. 5. Customer receivables. This section tracks the total amount customers owe to your business. Keeping an eye on outstanding payments is crucial for financial planning. You can easily check pending amounts from each customer. Payment status, who paid, who didn't. 6. Supplier payables. This section shows the total outstanding payments you need to make to your suppliers. Stay ahead of due payments and keep your cash flow healthy. 7. Cash in hand. Wondering how much cash you currently have in hand? This section gives you real-time updates. It helps track your daily cash inflow and outflow, ensuring you never lose sight of your money. 8. Cash in bank. This feature displays the total amount available in your business bank accounts. Whether it's Mizan Bank, UBL, easypayza, or any other, you can track your balances with ease. 9. Number of invoices. Want to know how many invoices you've generated so far? Check here. This section helps you track billing and finance transactions in an instant. Doing a financial closing? No worries. Your invoices will reset automatically for the new period. Purchases, sales, and expenses. The dashboard summary gives you an instant breakdown of total purchases, how much inventory have you brought in, total sales, whether it's cash or credit, it's all tracked here. Total expenses, know exactly how much you've spent on business operations. Plus, you can filter data for daily, weekly, or monthly reports. Business sensitivity and privacy features. The dashboard contains sensitive business data, so not everyone gets access. Only authorized users can see the details. Employees logging in won't be able to view hidden or restricted data. The software allows unlimited user creation with customizable access levels, giving you full control over who sees what. That's all for today's video. We'll be exploring more amazing features in the upcoming episodes. Stay tuned, and until then, take care.